Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration DC12 HVA. Mercedes-Benz Vito 113 CDI Blue Efficiency Window Van. It has done 91,000 miles. The van comes with DAB radio, wheel trims, captain seats, 6-speed manual. This Vito has the well-favored 2.1 engine and would make a fantastic camper base or simply a work van for a small crew. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.